Guangzhou Liangxiang Electronic Technology Company Limited is a television manufacturer. The main products are display screen, interactive whiteboard, electronic display screen, and TV. The main business is TV wholesale, display wholesale, interactive whiteboard wholesale, and electronic display wholesale, etc. The address of our factory is 501, Building 3, number 46 Shainan Road, Dashi Street, Penyu District, Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province, China. The factory has 60 employees and 3 production lines. The number of TV sets produced by the factory is 30,000 sets per month. We are a professional OEM ODM factory. Types of television are Smart TV LED, TV and OLED TV. TV sizes are 17-inch, 19-inch, 22-inch, 24-inch, 26-inch, 32-inch, 40-inch, 42-inch, 43-inch, 49-inch, 50-inch, 65-inch, 85-inch, 100-inch, and 110-inch. LED display, OLED display, interactive whiteboard, electronic display, advertising display, and so on. These products are characterized by practical and beautiful, so it's very popular all over the world. Guangzhou Liangxiang Electronic Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer providing home services, looking for buyers who need customized and specialized products. Our factory offers professional production lines and custom design capabilities. The focus is on meeting the requirements of providing high-quality products, on-time delivery, and good after-sales service. At the same time, we also provide the service of sample processing, image processing, and product cardization.